now walk through the process of setting up Microsoft Teams. We've basically worked with a free account in order to work with the entire left side menu, including the activity feed, the chat feed, the Teams feed, calls feed, and files feed. Once we set up 2 teams, we then worked with each element of the tabs menu. We worked with the posting area, where we could start conversations, attach files, create videos, and then send files into places where others can collaborate with us. We also looked at the Files tab. And the Files tab is where we can manage all of the information that we're going to have inside of Microsoft platforms with other individuals that we are working with. We found out that all of the documents within Microsoft Teams are self-contained versions of the platforms such as PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. And we set up for collaboration. By using a second browser, we were able to simulate another individual being part of our team so that we can determine how documents are worked with in real time between teammates. And we found that all of the documents that are available inside of the team are available to all teammates in real time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you either in another video or in another course.